Hey guys, it's Katie again. Welcome back to my chocolate cake challenge. And guess what? We've officially reached cake number 8 out of 10. Today I'm baking a super moist, fudgy, and totally decadent chocolate cake that tastes like a warm chocolate hug. I'm starting with cake flour, of course, sifting it into a bowl like we're setting up for a cloud soft base. Now it's sugar time. White and brown working together for sweetness and structure. It's like a sweet team up you didn't know you needed. Next up, the magic trio. Small but mighty. A bit of baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. These tiny heroes help the cake rise beautifully while keeping the crumbs soft and fluffy. Salt might seem small, but it's what brings the chocolate flavor to life. Next up, cocoa powder. Sift it in slowly like you're creating edible magic dust. Cocoa gives us that rich, deep chocolate flavor, and it's what turns a good cake into a chocolate masterpiece. You'll want to use the good stuff here, trust me. Now here comes my secret weapon. Freshly brewed coffee. I know, sounds bold, but it won't taste like coffee at all. Instead, it deepens the chocolate flavor and adds richness and warmth to every bite. It's like turning up the chocolate volume. Whisk it all together gently, making sure everything gets to know each other. You're looking for a smooth base here. No dry patches, no cocoa clumps. Now I'm adding sour cream. This makes the texture of the cake unbelievably moist and tender. Next up is olive oil. Just 1 cup makes a huge difference in the texture. It adds moisture and richness without weighing the cake down. Time for vanilla extract. Just a splash brings out the depth in the chocolate and ties everything together with that little warm sweet scent we all love. Mix everything together now until the batter looks smooth, glossy, and a little too tempting. But of course, it's not complete without the eggs. Crack in all 3 and whisk them in. Eggs give the cake structure and help lock in all that moisture we've been working so hard for. You'll know you're on the right track when the batter looks silky and rich, like a chocolate river you want to swim in. Now, time to mix the wet and dry together. Add the dry ingredients in gradually and fold everything until you get a thick, luscious batter. No overmixing. We want air in the cake, not a chocolate brick. Take your time. It's not a race, it's dessert. Before we bake, prep your cake pans with parchment and a little butter. This makes removing the cakes easier later. And trust me, nothing ruins the mood like a stuck cake. Now pour that chocolatey dream into your cake pans. We are making 3 layers, so if you've got 3 pans, perfect. If not, work in batches. Spread the batter out evenly and give the pans a gentle tap to pop any air bubbles hiding underneath. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. The cakes will puff up, the kitchen will smell incredible, and you'll be resisting the urge to open the oven door every 5 seconds. Once they're done, let the cakes cool slightly, then gently remove them from the pans. Peel off the parchment. It's like unwrapping warm, fudgy presents. You've earned this moment. To make them perfectly stackable, I'm trimming the tops. You can totally skip this if you like a rustic look, but I like my cakes level. And this part's also a great excuse for a sneak taste. And there we go, 3 perfect cake layers, ready to become one epic chocolate tower. Now for the ganache, grab dark chocolate and chop it up into small pieces. The smaller they are, the faster and smoother they melt. Plus, it makes you feel like a pro chef. Big knife, tiny pieces. Very satisfying. Set up your water bath and melt the chocolate slowly. Don't rush, chocolate has trust issues. Keep the heat low and stir until it's completely silky and lump-free. Now stir in some heavy cream and a spoonful of honey. This combo makes the ganache smooth, shiny, and just a little sweet. Stir gently and watch it transform into glossy chocolate magic. Try not to eat it all straight from the bowl. Let's move on to the cream. I'm starting with room temp butter, soft enough to whip but not melted. It's the key to a smooth, spreadable frosting that melts into the cake layers. In goes the powdered sugar. First, mix it with a spatula to keep the sugar storm contained. Then switch to a mixer and whip it into a light, fluffy base. Your arms will thank you. Add cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor. Mix until it's velvety and dark and smells like you're about to eat the best part of the cake. Finish it off with a final whip. You're looking for smooth, pipeable, deliciously chocolatey cream. If you sneak a spoonful now, well, who could blame you? All right, time to bring our two chocolate stars together, the ganache and the buttercream. Scoop a bit of ganache into the cream and start mixing. Go slow at first, we're not making a chocolate storm here. Just gently fold until they start getting along. Then add more ganache and mix again. It'll get darker, glossier, and so smooth it's honestly kind of unfair to other cakes. Take one last look at that swirl, and this is your frosting finale. Let's use it well. Let's build this beauty step by step. First, parchment paper down. Trust me, future you will thank you when cleanup is a breeze. Now the first cake layer goes on. Take a big spoonful of our dreamy chocolate cream and spread it out. Don't rush. This is your cake's first cozy blanket. Then gently place the second layer. Add more cream, smooth it out again. It's a little like tucking in a very spoiled chocolate bed. Now the third and final layer. Give it a soft press so everything hugs together. At this point, your cake is tall, step back and take it in. You just stack the triple layer chocolate cake like a pro. It doesn't need to be perfect. A little unevenness makes it charming. Now the sides. Take your time, spin the cake or dance around it. Whatever gets the job done evenly. This is the fun part. Scoop on extra chocolate cream and use the back of your spoon to create delicious swirls and waves across the top and sides. No need for perfection here. The more wild and chocolatey it looks, the better. Just look at it. It's like a fluffy chocolate cloud that went to pastry school. Let's slice in. Moment of truth. And yes, it's layered, luscious, and totally show-off worthy. Chocolate on chocolate, always a good idea. This cake is rich, fudgy, and every layer melts into the next like a delicious dream. Rich, soft, dreamy. Looks like a chocolate dream came true. And if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to leave a sweet comment, give it a like, and subscribe. Because trust me, cake number 9 is going to be even more tempting.